Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Dependency injection, is a design pattern commonly used in software development to achieve loose coupling between components in an application. It allows you to manage and inject dependencies into a class or function from the outside, making your code more modular, testable, and maintainable. In Python, you can implement dependency injection using various techniques, and in this tutorial, we'll explore how to achieve it using a simple custom diff framework. Dependency injection is a software design pattern where components, such as classes or functions, are provided with their dependencies rather than creating or managing them internally. These dependencies can be services, objects, or other components needed by the class to perform its tasks. There are several benefits to using dependency injection. Decoupling, it reduces the tight coupling between components, making your code base more maintainable and easier to modify. Testability, by injecting dependencies, you can easily substitute real implementations with mock objects or stubs during testing, enabling unit testing and better test coverage. Reusability, components with injected dependencies can be reused in different parts of your application without modification. Flexibility, you can easily change or extend the behavior of your application by swapping out components with different implementations. Let's create a basic dependency injection framework in Python. This framework will consist of two main components, a container for managing dependencies and a decorator to inject dependencies into functions or classes. Let's demonstrate how to use our simple dependency injection framework with a practical example. Suppose we have a user service class that depends on a user repository to perform user-related operations. We can inject the user repository into the user service using our framework. In this example, we registered user repository in the container and injected it into the user service using the @inject decorator. Dependency injection is a valuable design pattern that promotes modular, testable, and maintainable code. While we implemented a simple dependency injection framework in this tutorial, Python offers more sophisticated libraries like Guise, Spring, or Dagger, which you can use for larger and more complex projects. Nonetheless, understanding the basic principles behind and how to create a simple framework is a great way to start building more flexible and maintainable Python applications. ChatGPT.